I think Wendy's got a big crush on Jake. I mean, who doesn't?
You know, I actually think they'd be so great together.
Really? I sense some real tension between the two of you. Some real vibes going on.
Oh, no, no, no. The truth is, we actually know each other. Yeah, he's my little brother's best friend. So I've known him for years. And we both signed up for this trip. Weeks ago without knowing that the other person had.
Okay, I can't believe you're just telling me this now. But also, when we were at La Rosa, he said he signed up for this like just the other day.
Like the other day, like right before getting here.
Yeah.
Oh,
Weird.
yeah. Well, I don't know.